My name is Rashid Hussein. I came from Somalia. I came here like 3 months ago. I have shoulder dislocation problem. I came here and I look a lot of doctors from Hyderabad and I found Dr. Prashant and he did my surgery well. And now I feel full recovery. And I think it was a good experience. I just told Dr. Prashant, I feel comfortable. Told me like he have a lot of experience for this surgery, and then that's why I choose. And he showed me a lot of surgery he did, and I saw it there, and that's why I choose Dr. Prashant. Now mashallah, I feel like better. It was like I'm feeling well. Yeah, now I can able everything to do after 3 months. So he told me like you can play football after 6 months.
Hello. Shoulder dislocation is a big and very difficult problem in younger patients, especially who are interested in sports, gym, or any active lifestyle. The shoulder dislocates and there is injury to the ligament and the bone of the shoulder, which requires a very thorough evaluation with a shoulder expert. We just saw a very important message by Mr. Abdi Rashid, who had recurrent, which means repeated shoulder dislocation over the period of last 2 years. And when he came to us, he had already seen at least 10 doctors around the world. And he trusted us because we gave him a very thorough evaluation. We sat with him for a period of 10-15 minutes, explained to him what is wrong with his shoulder and how we are going to fix it back. We performed a laser operation, a keyhole operation, without any big cuts. He has only 3 or 4 small stitches in his shoulder, through which we did this laser operation, in which the ligament was stitched and also the bump on the ball was also fixed. So after 1 month, he had full movement of the shoulder. And after 3 months now, he has full strength of the shoulder. He's going back to his country, which is Somalia, very happy. He will have more recovery period of 2 months, after which he will start playing his favorite sport, which is football. If you are someone who is suffering from recurrent shoulder dislocation or any shoulder pain for a long time, then you need to consult a shoulder specialist. We will do a very thorough evaluation of your shoulder in terms of physical examination and your MRI and possibly a CT scan to see what the problem is. We will ensure that we give you a very thorough explanation of what the problem is and what your treatment options are. And then we together as a team will help to solve it. So if you are someone who is suffering like our patient, Mr. Abdi Rashid, please do consider our treatment and we are happy to help you. Thank you.